Welcome back to Smootify. In this video, we will show you how to start your Smootify project directly from the Webflow app. The first step is to install our Webflow app. Click on Apps and then Webflow app. When you click on Webflow app, you'll be redirected to the Webflow Marketplace. If you're starting completely from scratch, we strongly recommend starting with our Smootify Starter project, which is already complete with CMS structure and Smootify script. Proceed by clicking the Create Site button. This begins the process of building your own website using the Smootify Starter project template you just cloned. After creating the project, go back to the Webflow Marketplace and install the Smootify app. Once installed, you will see a message prompting you to log in or sign up for Smootify. Choose the project that we just created. After selecting it, click the Authorize button. Once logged in and after receiving the confirmation message that your site has been successfully connected to Smootify, click the Open Dashboard button to access the Smootify dashboard. If you go to the newly added site settings, you'll see that the Shopify store URL and Shopify public token are empty. To connect Shopify, simply install our Shopify app from the Shopify App Store. Install the app to connect Shopify with Webflow. Navigate to Apps and then select Shopify app. Click Shopify app, and you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Select the Shopify store you wish to connect to Webflow and click the Install button. Now let's connect the Webflow project. Click the Connect a Webflow site button and choose the starter project you just cloned within Webflow. Choose the project that we just created. After selecting it, click the Authorize button. Our app will automatically link the Webflow project to the Shopify store by automatically adding the Shopify store URL and the public storefront API token. The only thing you'll need to do is connect your domain. You'll be able to use Webflow's staging domain and then switch it to your official domain when you're ready to launch the project online. Make sure you only enter the domain without HTTPS and any trailing. Click Save, and your Webflow project will be linked to your Shopify store. If you're connecting an existing site and not using the Smootify Starter project, make sure to add the Smootify scripts, available in the Smootify dashboard, to the global code section of your Webflow project.